We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Let's rock and roll. Fear of missing out and how to avoid it. Here's the thing, right? We're going to jump right into this. FOMO, fear of missing out. We're going to use lots of analogies here to talk about how you have a complete irrational mindset when it comes to trading, and it's one of your greatest downfalls. And I'll prove it to you. By the way, if you're watching this in the future, when you look down in the comment section, you can swipe to the right and you can see the live chat popping off right now. JP, JR, Jupita in the chat. And even though you didn't get to interact, you can interact in the chat because these lives are full on interactive. So let's go into it. What's up, everybody? Raj, what's up? Boys, do me a favor, flood the chat. What do you think is the number one downfall of a trader? Or just talk about you. What is the biggest downfall for you? And we'll talk about this. We're going to go into it deep. Make it happen. What's up, Hassan? Yo, let's go. So, fear of missing out. What is it? We're going to break that down. What is it exactly? And we'll talk about it. Let's go. Hey, I'm from Kenya. Why do we have to say the country? Guys, can we just answer my question? Nobody wants to know what country you're from. All right? Why do we still do this? All right, let's go. Emotions, FOMO, the human brain, getting married to a trade, the entry and exit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep flooding it. Let's go. What else is it that causes a trader's downfall? Mr. Chris Cape Cod. What's up, my brother? As I'm waiting for the answers, daytradeprofessor.com free trading course. Use it. Don't send me a penny. Don't spend a penny on me. I don't manage portfolios either. Those are scammers on TikTok. I know about them. But if you fall for it, you have a low IQ. You deserve to fall for it. I'm just being honest. All right, let's go. Fahad says, I'm new to trading. I don't seem to get how to use a stop loss. Bro. Okay, we'll ignore him. Hey, Professor, not making any money. Okay. Following the crowd without a plan. Okay. Taking your losses personally. Keep going. Missing the game. FOMO makes it hard to quit while ahead. Okay, Mr. Jet Gear. Keep going. Keep going. Lack of sleep. That's a human being problem, creator. Keep going. Impatience. Cool. Keep going. Let me get a couple more. Recovering of your earlier losses. I see that, Banjo. 100%. Okay. So now, this is what I want for you to answer for me, right? What really is FOMO? Because I'm being honest, you live in an irrational fear. You live in an irrational mindset of this FOMO. Basically, and I'll tell you this. Watch this. Let them answer this first and then watch the chat. I'll prove it to you. Not taking profits, FOMO. I asked you what the hell is FOMO. The person wrote, it's FOMO. Okay. Chasing trades, Chris Cape Cod. Yo, I just love saying his name. I like Chris Cape Cod. Never get FOMO. Chasing a overextended stock, crypto, or contract. Revenge trading. Not following your daily loss limit rule. Okay. Cool. What is it? You want me to tell you what it is? I'm pretty sure I spelled this wrong. Irrational fear. Irrational fear of what? Agree or disagree? Flood the chat. Agree or disagree? Flood the chat. What is FOMO? In my definition of it is an irrational fear, an irrational fear of missing something you can't get back. Agree or disagree? Let's go. Flood it. Do you agree? Say agree. If you disagree, say disagree, and then tell me why you disagree with me. Let's go. Interactive live. Let's go, baby. I want full interaction here. Let's go. We got 100%. We got agree. We got yeah. JM6482,004. Put a real name there, damn it. Why do you guys do this? Slick 200,000. Whatever. Put real names next to your names. Franklin, thank you for the real name. Agree. So, okay, cool. You all agree. So don't take it back. Don't take it back now what I'm about to say next. Okay, cool? It's an irrational fear of missing something you can't get back. Why do you agree to that? Why do you agree to that? Do you know why do you agree to that? I'm about to go crazy for a little bit. I'm about to go a little crazy. I'm only going to go crazy for 40 seconds, okay? Only 40 seconds, all right? I'm about to go a little wild. Hopefully it gets people to unfollow. I always try my best to get people to unfollow me. I'm just being honest. I try to think of new ways to get people to not like me. But it never works. It ends up liking me more. And I'm like, what do I do with this? Okay. This is futures, MES, okay? This is the entire day of today. I think today's Tuesday. Yeah, I'm live. I don't know what day and time it is, but I do know when it's Tuesday, Friday, because I got to go live. Today's Tuesday. What's the number? I'm not even going to try to figure it out. It's 12 something. All right? I don't know. No, let me figure it out. It has to do with the 17th. Cool. This is the entire move of today. It's time to go crazy. Fear of missing out on what? This is the issue with many of you. You take one good trade and then you give it back on the second, the third, and you are negative. You are drastically negative by the 6th to 10th trade because you're chasing that high from trade number one. Agree or disagree? Flood the chat. I'll say that again. You live in this irrational mindset of, I'm missing out. Bro, shut up. You're not even a real trader. You're a degenerate. You have no clue, no grasp of what trading is. You live in a fantasy realm of swiping through random traders that you find that are clueless themselves, that are children selling you hopes and dreams. And you fall for it by joining their stupid ass Signal Discord chats, their Telegram chats, sending you signals that don't even damn work, and you know they don't work. Flood the chat if you jumped into a Signal chat and eventually you figured out it didn't work. You live in this mindset of lack. The devil's workshop is lack of. You're not going to make enough. For God's sakes, the entire day's move. This is future, so the market is open right now. The entire day's move. Fear of missing on what? This short? Oh, I missed a short. Which one? This short? Oh, I missed a short. This one? This one? Oh, I missed a long. This one? This one? Oh, I missed a short. This one? Oh, I missed a long. Pick and choose which one in one day did you miss. What reality do you not grasp? Some of you are degenerates, you drunks, you alcoholics, you drug-infected people. You're not real traders. You live in a fantasy realm. And you think this doesn't work. No, you don't work. Your family never worked. Nothing in your life works because you don't work, period. Yet you put your own cognitive dissonance onto the chart. There is an infinite amount of possibilities of it working out in your favor. But you choose to not see that because you are a degenerate gambler. There's my 30 seconds. I said my 30 seconds. Boom. I said my 30 seconds. I went a little over. I said I was going to go off for a second. I said I was. And I did. And I did. Everybody, agree. You're 100,000, you're 1,000, 100,000, whatever no's and zeros are. Percent correct, true. Did it today, gave back half my profit, but still made a little. Praise God. MashaAllah, Chris Cape God. We want to catch them all. These are not Pokemon. These are not Pokemon. I got to catch them all. You catch what the market gives you, and you go live your life. You became, I'm going to stay calm. Facts. Finish the move. Tell them like it is. I always do because I have nothing to sell you if you don't want it. That's the beautiful part. You don't like the way I talk to you. Good. Unsubscribe, then get the hell off my page, bro. I don't want majority of you anyway. Majority of traders are degenerates. I'm just being realistic. Agree, Martin. Feeling better? Yeah. I think I needed this, honestly. Of course you did. That's why you're here. We need to hear this. Boom. Tomas. What's up, baby? Agree. It's hard to walk away from the poker table because that's what I just said. That's what I just said. Jet Gear 2007. I just said that. You're not a real trader. Stop calling yourselves that. Call yourself what you are, a degenerate gambler. If you go to casinos, you do the gambling apps, whatever they're called. You're not a trader. You're a gambler. Differentiate yourself from it. Stop wasting your time in this life that you have. You're here for a finite amount of time. Legit finite amount of time. You're not going to make it too long in life. Stop taking your money, funding your accounts, and blowing it if you're not going to follow a single piece of the plan. That's why I wrote the second book. This book will be the game changer. You could pre-order it. Everything's down below. Again, if you can't read, I'm going to block you. Everything is literally scrolling through the news feed at the bottom. It says how to get everything. It's in the description. Stop emailing my team saying, how do you buy the book? How stupid are you? Some of you. Like, seriously. 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 You really are. The amount of DMs my team's like, Professor, do you not tell them the free course is on your website? I'm like, yeah. They're like, what's up with all these emails? Where's the free course? This proves to me that some of your IQ levels is... I'm going on a tangent. Let's come back. Let's come back. LOL, Pokemon. Your people are trying to catch them all. Right, Professor? Chasing big candles without checking for what's coming next. What's up, Professor? So good to be here today. Good to see you, Tomas. How do you change then? We're going to talk about it. Crazy Camel says, amen. Can we put our real name? I got Crazy Camel watching me. I got JMC648. You know what I want to do? I want to start blocking people that don't have real names. But I'm going to be nice right now. We're being nice. The market has infinite possibilities. Your FOMO is caused by your lack of mindset. This takes time. You know what I call it. I call it XP points. In this book of mine, How to Be a Consistent Trader, I go into it. XP points solved in here. What is XP points? Experience points. That's what I call it, like a video game. How do you go deeper into it? Understand the market has infinite possibilities. Infinite. Lots of hand holding. Hello, Professor. What's up, girl? Hey, I'm from Puerto Rico. Oh, JP, thank God that was you. And I love that you put LOL because I was ready to go on you right now. Thank God it's you. They want the answers given to them so easily and not willing to take them. Even the minimal action to check out your website and figure, I know. Now do you all connect why I like blocking so many people, why I live for it? I don't care enough. That's the thing. I don't care for the stupidity out there. I don't want to deal with it. Either I block them now, or they'll take my mentorship, be in my class, and I'm going to have to deal with it for the rest of my life. That's a problem. No. Wait. Who that? Zen Zibing? Wait a second. I know who you are. You're not no Zen Zibing. Are you from Canada, madam? I know who you are. I'm excited for this one. Sorry, dude. Just say JMC. No, dude. Go change your name. You got 10 minutes. If I see that name again, I'm blocking you. Greetings, I'm from Narnia. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start in the chat. Don't start in the chat. I was in high school when Narnia came out. Or was I in college? First year college? Second year college? I don't remember. I think I was in high school. First year college. Who cares? Getting off the point. You have a lack of mindset. It's complete lack of, oh, I missed this. Okay, let's zoom in, right? Let's go deeper into this conversation. By the way, don't ask me what time frame. It doesn't matter in this conversation. Don't ask me. Goddamn. Oh, I missed the trade. I had the setup there. I wanted to take it. Oh, man. Oh, I missed this next trade. What's that kid's name? That African kid who does this? I don't know his name, but he's famous. Come on. Thank you, JMC. I appreciate it. I hate seeing a billion numbers there. It drives me crazy. This is a classroom, a digital classroom. Those are some pretty clean moves. 100% Luke. What's up, baby? Your failure is caused by your, again, lack of. Stop it already. Stop it already. It's lack of. Change that to many. I'm sure I spelled this wrong. Many possibilities. Or I don't know what's up with me. I gotta get some. I haven't slept properly this week. I gotta sleep properly. I feel like I'm writing every word wrong. I don't know. Tomorrow is another day. That's what it is. There's another day tomorrow. It'll be there. Ladies and gentlemen, you're all going to be gone eventually. You will die. It's inevitable. Your children will come. For example, Chris Cape Cod. I spoke to Chris Cape Cod, and didn't your son? What'd you say about your son, Chris Cape Cod? Tell them in the chat. I spoke to your son on it. Traders can't spell and do math. They can't do math, Jim. I can spell, but I'm just tweaking right now. I need to get some deep sleep tonight. I gotta get some deep. The weather in New York has been fluctuating. Hey, somebody changed her name. Ramsha, welcome. Yeah, gotta have an abundance mindset. We got some new people in the chat tonight, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, Ramsha? Ramsha is coming to the February mentorship from Canada. Miss Word made me... Microsoft Word. Microsoft made about correct spelling way too easy. Yeah. So tomorrow's another day. For example, Monday to Thursday, you kill it. Let's say you do, I don't know, 32%. You killed it. Friday comes. Watch this, people watching in the future. Watch the chat. Watch this. Friday comes. Oh, I need to get a bigger percent return. I'm going to go bigger. I want to get 100% return because everybody else on social media is saying they're making 3,000%, 30,000%. Numbers that are far outside of Narnia, right? And you get caught in that. No matter how many times I tell you, stop following these weirdos on social media. They are not there to help you. They're hurting you. If it affects you in a way that affects your trading negatively, that is not someone there to help you. I'm telling you right now. And if I'm that person too, well, you better block my ass because I'm eventually going to block your ass. I want the 100% gainer. You know what you're going to end up doing? You're going to full port, take a negative. I'm going to go red on this one. And you're going to go negative 150. You're going to blow everything you made and lose a lot more that Friday. Flood the chat if that's happened to you. Flood it. Watch. Narnia. Boss is back. Good evening, Professor. Eddie, you're late. Why do we have laughing emojis? Why are we dying? I'm dying. Why are we dying? What was the joke? I want to laugh too. What was the joke in the chat? Tomorrow is another day to be a spider. Yep. Tweaking. Thank you to Jose for telling me about Professor. That's true. 2,000% meme coin frenzy. Boom. This week, Jupiter said many times, Liz is crying. Why we got the crying emoji? Can someone explain? I want to know. I'm old. I don't know what emojis really mean. I want to know what the hell's going on. That was me. Truth. Yup. Here's the thing, right? I know many of you watchers are watching. Here's the thing. I'm going to talk to you for a second. I am not going anywhere. I could care less you buy these books. Care less you come to the mentorship. I'm going to be straight. I don't care. I wouldn't talk like this if I did. Let's be realistic here. I wouldn't talk like this. I don't care enough. No matter what, I'll be fine. What you don't understand is I'll be fine no matter what the case may be. Prices go up. That's all you need to know. Speaking of prices, type in the code Bitcoin to get the new books 50% off. Type in the code. Let's use the bigger Bitcoin. We had 100,000, baby. Type in the code Bitcoin to get 50% off the new books, not the old ones. The new ones, the two new ones. Back to the point. Everything I'm saying is to better you. Don't believe it, believe it. Again, you have to understand. I'll prove it to you, right? One of you morons DM me on IG saying, where's the free course? I'm going to block you like this. Swear to God. I'll prove it to you that I have no interest in helping the low IQ individuals. That proves it. If I didn't do that, it would be the other way around. Oh, here's the link. I got you, little buddy. Sign up for... Don't care enough. Don't care enough. Some of you are not worth my time. You are worthless. Your parents don't even respect you, for God's sake. You're the brokest person in the family for a reason. God even laughs at you. I'm going on a tangent. My bad. I'm going on a tangent. I said I wasn't going to go. I was super late. I'm sorry. What's up, Chris? But I'm glad I made it. Good to see you, Professor. Good to see you. I'll see you next week. Live trading. Not me. Small loss for the week. Nothing big. Nothing big. I have a plan still up on the whole account. Let's go, Luke. I made it too. What's up, Pedro? Liz, crying because you're 100% right. So say that, madam. Guys, when you start doing laughing emojis, say why you're laughing. I want to know. I started off following so many gurus, quickly weeded them out. Why, money man? Why? Juan says, let's go. Hazib, hey, Professor, hope you're doing well. I'm well. Creator, for the past 2 years, I didn't follow anyone, and because I know how the system works, it has not been easy working alone, and I'm grateful I could see this video. Boom. Mel's laughing again. You can find it on Google, I bet. No, keep going, Professor. See you next week. I'll see you next week, Chris. Live trading. Live trading next week. By the way, I'm going to film the entire thing. Entries, exits, live trading, full breakdown. It'll be a series that drops every Saturday once the editors and it gets finished producing and all that stuff. It'll be a series, maybe, I don't know how many episodes, 6, 7 episode series, just like Consistent Trader, where we did live trading Christmas, full green week, posted the whole thing. Go search it up in my videos. It's there. I think it's a 7, 8 part series. Live trading mindset. Live trading the whole Christmas week. Boom. You're the only guru that I follow and I learn from. It's been such a blessing. Appreciate you, party. Ramsha, God thinks you're a loser. LL, Lord have mercy. I'm just being honest. Let's go back to the charts. You saw what they said. Agree. Me. Because you live in Narnia. You live in false realities, right? You're like, I gotta go bigger. Go bigger. I'm trying to not go off. I know you like when I go off, some of you. But I'm trying not to go off. I'm very close to doing it again. I don't want to. But I'm about to. This mistake I used to do years ago. And everyone on social media knew me for this. They're like, where's Professor on Fridays? You couldn't find me. I didn't trade on Fridays. I just did Monday to Thursday and I checked out. You didn't see me on social media. You didn't hear from me. I'm checked out on Fridays. I don't want to be anywhere near the charts. Because in the early days, I would do well Monday to Thursday and Friday, give it all back. I have pain of doing the same thing many of you do. My solution was, because usually Fridays is a sell-off. Usually, not always. And back then, I didn't go short. I only went long. So what I did was, I just waited for the next week, Monday. What is this obsession about closing the week bigger than... My dude, the S&P 500 yearly return. Hedge funds yearly return, if they do better than like what, 8 to 12%? Salute. They did amazing yearly. Some of you are so lost in the false reality of social media, you think 32% is embarrassing. Ladies and gentlemen, your failure is directly caused by the stupid apps and the morons that you follow. And you don't have to believe a word I say, because again, I don't care enough for you to listen anyway. This is resonating to even one person that it resonates to. That's who I always talk to. I talk to that one person that might be a version of me somewhere out there that just found this video in the future, or even now. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you know you're the type of person to go heavy on a Friday because of that mindset, that lack, lower your position size or just wait till next week. The market's not going anywhere. Don't make me keep repeating myself. Jesus. Let's go back. Made profit even while learning from your book. I'm glad to see. Live trading, that is. I'm new, I need it, I'm glad. 100%. We think we can double our gains every day. Social media. I blame it all on social media. Let's keep going into it. Do we go left? Let's go left. This word lack, for God's sakes. For God's sake. You became a trader because of the abundance abilities, the abundant possibilities of what the market could give you. For God's sakes, when I'm done trading futures, S&P futures, I'm jumping on XLM futures. I'm jumping on Shiba or Bonk. Chris, which one was I doing? Shiba? All the garbage coins are the same to me. I'm jumping on one of those and I'm trading them actively. Quick little moves. XLM pumped last night, shorted it. Made a little bit on that one. Infinite moves. Literally, my driver is taking me somewhere. I'm in the back. Where's my other phone? It's charging. My flip one, not this one. I got my flip one. And I'm like, all right, take a trade. Boom. Folks, for God's sakes. Lack, not enough. Not enough of what? Not enough of what? There is. Change this word to abundance. All right, we got to chill with the misspelling. We got to chill. I'm sure I spelled that wrong. What's up with me today? What's up with me today? I got to get some sleep. No. We're not doing this. I'm tweaking today. I think. Change it to... What's up with me today? All right. First, let me answer some questions. I'm getting distracted on this. The spelling is getting to me. I read that already. I have put myself on a dopamine detox until the live trading class. I like that, Ramsha. Very good. Very good. I'll see you in February. Very good. Take his mentorship if you want unlimited tangents. Miss Cheryl Gold. First time I've been to one of these live classrooms. I love it. Love the honesty. I appreciate it. Welcome. How'd you find me? Jupita. People, they don't think small percentage will be adding up at the end of the month. You did both, bro. Shiba shorts. Shiba, thank you. Shiba, thank you guys. On the secret Instagram, I post over there. They know. All right. Change it to abundance. Not enough. Not enough of what? There are infinite, I don't know why I'm laughing now. I went from going off to laughing. I don't know. Not enough. Change not enough to infinite possibilities. Infinite possibilities. You missed the trade. You missed any of the shorts today. We got another day tomorrow. And the next day. And the next day. And whenever the stuff with the drones and the... No. We're not going into that. Whenever the market falls, it will. It's inevitable, ladies and gentlemen. It's inevitable. You can write it back down. What mistakes? When TRUMP starts tweeting crazy, the market will start moving crazy and you catch those moves. No time, bro. Let's be honest. Sacre Blue. Stay here. How do you lock you? Lock. Okay. Work with me here. No time. I did a live explaining how to do futures. It's in the live. Don't ask me where it is. I'm going to block you. I did a live. If you don't know how to go navigate YouTube, my God, the amount of morons on the internet, it's wild. People, the amount of DMs. Again, a lot of people don't DM me much anymore because they're scared they'll get blocked. Good, you should be because you're going to be. There's a 99% chance you low-frequency individuals will get blocked. Everything is on the site, Day Trade Professor. Literally, it is the most fluid, clean site. You want to buy the book? It says trading books. You get all three. Pick which one you want. You want the free course? It says trading course. You want the mentorship? Click it. How many days is it? How many days is it? All right. We're not going to go crazy. You say no time, but if you go to YouTube, click on live, it says my how to trade futures 101. That's the name of the class. No more excuses. Trade futures. It's open 23 hours a day. 23 hours a day. It's only closed on Saturdays. So you got the time. You're just full of excuses. This is why I'm going to go crazy. I'm about to go crazy again. Professor, you're a genius. Multiple time frames, support and resistance. When you see it consistently, that's the key. Gus, what are you talking about? Multiple time frames don't work. Support resistance doesn't work. What are you talking about? That's what majority of the internet, these weirdos say all day, every day. That's all they say. Most of my comments are flooded with these. I was going to go too far. Most of these comments are flooded with these morons. That's what they're saying half the time. That's what they're saying. Support resistance doesn't work. What else did Gus say? Professor, you're a genius. Multiple time frames don't work. Support resistance. None of this works. And these people are praised by other traders. This is why if you go and notice, I don't follow many people because majority of the internet is filled with children that promote gambling. When I say children, in here I'm 65. So almost everybody's a child in here to me. I'm just being honest. Even if they're like 30, they're children to me. If they're like 20, children. Teenagers. To me, I almost call everybody a teenager because in here I'm like 65. I'm just being honest. I like what Chris said. Nothing works. Just stay at your job. That's it. Nothing works. So what are you talking about, Gus? I'm not a genius. None of this work. The 3 books I wrote, they don't work. 5,000 plus of these have sold. I have students that quit their 9 to 5s, they're full-time traders because it doesn't work. The word consistency is gold glimmering because it doesn't work because none of you are consistent, you watchers. You're not. Your life is not consistent, so the charts are not consistent. So Gus, what are you talking about? Professor Genius. No, bro, none of it works. None of it works. Hi, new here from Compton. What's up, Compton in the building? Great information. Where can we buy your book? Oh my God. Compton? You know, it's funny. I went to LA years ago, right? I was on The Price is Right in the audience. I was wearing purple pants. I think I was like 26 years old, 25. I rented a car. It was a Mercedes SLK Sports 2-seater Roadster, right? I was into cars in my 20s. The guy with the map, he circles Compton. Don't drive here. I said, you got it. Compton, bro, it says it at the bottom. Get access to my free course, book, and mentorship, all available at daytradeprofessor.com. God bless you, Compton. Getting rid of the outside noise gets rid of nearly 99% of these problems for me. Social media is one of the worst enemies. I say it all the time. Sacre bleu! Lack of just hitting sell or walking away in green equals abundance of being a slave to your job. Yup, Luke. His website, there is a scrolling banner for his books, free course. Don't ask silly questions. Bro, do thinking and check in his bio link. Literally, you guys got to put one and one together. Candles, levels, multiple time frames. What's up, Hassan? Aldo's laughing. I'm in LA. We're not all dumb. I never said you were dumb, Aldo. When did I say that? I never said that. Compton, you're welcome. I remember Gangsta Professor with the backwards hat on. God bless the professor with more patience. I got the patience, baby. I got the patience. All right. No time, futures, 23 hours a day. Stop it with your excuses. You're full of excuses. Let's be honest. You really are. The Devil's Workshop. This is the Devil's Workshop. Flood the chat if you've had these thoughts. Flood it. I'm in NQ and gold as we speak. No excuses. Oops, my bad. I rewinded so I'm not on the same time. LOL. But FOMO is a subsection of greed in my opinion. Brent, get in the right time. Get in the right time. If you're just watching, waiting, or hoping for change without putting in the work, ask yourself, do you really want a different life? Growth requires action and demands 100%. Hasib. About to PYT it on 2X so we can catch up, y'all. What the hell is PYT? English! Hands up if this is you. I mean, flood the chat. if this was you. Flood it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Today had those thoughts. Totally had those thoughts. Sorry, totally. Still have them. They never go away. Yes, I haven't had those thoughts since I watched your content. I'm glad. Not enough. Not gonna lie. I've had those thoughts. Not enough is my problem. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. It will never, ever be enough. There is no dollar amount that could be enough. I could say right now, let's pretend I'm worth 100 billion. Let's pretend. And I can do a giveaway. Everybody watching, you guys are loyal. You comment on my content. You like, you engage. I love you all. Everyone gets 10 Bitcoin right now. Drop your Bitcoin wallet addresses. My assistants will be here just dropping Bitcoin in all your accounts. You know what you're going to end up saying? Flood the chat. What are you going to end up saying? What are you going to end up saying? I want more. Professor, come on. Why 10? 10 Bitcoin. Let me get 15 Bitcoin. Let me get 11 Bitcoin. You will never be satisfied no matter what you do. I give away those 5-minute phone calls. Some of you want to stay on those calls with me for like 30 minutes. When I do the mentorship the 3 days, some of you say, can we do a week? That's why we're doing the Mexico. By the way, 2025 Mexico, link in my bio, daytradeprofessor.com in the description. We got Mexico going on. Live with me on a private resort, 4 acres. You can go see the pictures. They're on the website. There's 4 classes, 7 days. You live with me, not in my bedroom, of course, you freaks. You get your own little mansion, literally 3 mansions on the estate. We live trade. I do a full lesson, of course. I teach you about the market, the whole 9 yards. We live trade. We go explore ATVs, breakfast, dinner. Everything is included in the price. Go check it out. It's awesome. We literally do. I love it. It's like a test run for when the school is built. It'll have a dorm, so we will live, trade, eat together. You'll see me at the cafeteria. Oh my God, is that the professor in his robe? Yeah, I'm gonna walk on my robe. It's my campus. Who's gonna tell me go home? It's my campus. I've learned to not kill my motivation, my hard work. I stay away from that mentality. Good. Amen. Can't read it all in the circles. Alicia, put your glasses on, woman. Put your damn glasses on. Can I have more? Boom. I want more. Shauna wants more. Mango Chow Murray. Mango Chow? The freak is a Mango Chow? Gracias, Ganada. Is that it? Exactly. Why only 10? Exactly. Roger's laughing. Sometimes I get the not enough because I want to get to the next level of my learning journey. Mel is still laughing for some reason. I told y'all if you're going to laugh, tell me why. I remember what you said. Give one man a piece of gold, he'll want 2. 100%. Martin, why are we laughing? Martin is a great example. He was on my live when I was traveling, right? Martin had XRP. He had a $200,000 loan, the whole 9 yards. He was sitting on XRP. He sold, paid down the loan. He's like, thank you, Professor. And I thanked him for taking the initiative. That's my Bitcoin wallet address. Thank you, Professor. Am I late? Bro, you're very late. Sharing bed? What does that mean? Oh, that's why you're laughing. Sharing bed. Got you. Thank you, Martin. Thank you. Yeah, everyone gets their own bedroom, their own bathroom, the whole 9 yards. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. What about noobs on the trip? How should we prepare? Amen, the book. What else? Amen, the book. Amen always, Frank. So how to prepare? I've said it a billion times. Free course, go through that. Maybe when you go through the free course, you're like, yo, I don't like the way the guy talks. Good, leave. I just saved you a lot of money and time. You go through the free course, you're like, yo, I connect with this guy. I like what he's saying. Get the first book. Start reading it. Go through it. Place some trades. Make a little bit of money. See how it connects. If you go through this and you're like, nah, this guy's not for me, good. Pass this on to somebody else. When that connects, get the other 2 books. I don't have the third one yet. It should be here next week. Get this one. Start trading. Get the other one, the Just Hit Sell book. Then, when you like everything, you're watching the lives, you go through it, then sign up for either Mexico. I teach you everything, Frank. A to Z, baby. Everything to focus on. Laser focus. Boom. Teach a man to trade and he won't need a signal chat. That's all I'm saying. Stop signing up for signal chats. Stay away from these people. Sorry for the typo. What about noobs for the trip? Don't worry about it, Frank. The noobs are perfect. I got you. I got you. We'll be talking trading at breakfast. We'll be talking trading at lunch. We'll be talking trading for dinner. I got you. I am from Nigeria. 10 Bitcoin. I'll be a billionaire. You look like Ricky Martin. I'm not going to block this guy. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to block the guy. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone. It will never... It will never be enough. God bless. God bless social media. I'm teaching a lesson. He's saying I look like Ricky Martin. I can't with these kids. Everyone is always welcome for a refresher. 100% Juan. Aldo's laughing. Professor, any plans for coming to Canada? Hasib, it is never, ever happening. Ever. Either you come to New York, Puerto Rico, or next year is Mexico. 2026, I don't know, but 2025 is Mexico. That's it. You guys got to stop. And he took his message back. He deleted it. Not fast enough, Hasib. Not fast enough. Not fast enough. Everyone, answer one of this exit lesson right now. What did you learn today? Answer this. One of them. Pick one. Answer it. Let's go. Much more attractive than Ricky. Thank you, Luke. Let's not get off any... No plans for California. Y'all don't listen. Y'all don't listen. Either New York, Mexico, or Mexico next year. That's it. No one's coming to save you. Stop trying to think that I'm coming to save you there. You come to me. I'm not going to you. Wake your fruity asses up, all right? All right, gotta be nice. I'm holding the Quran. All right, we're gonna knock out a quote from here. Let's rock and roll. Ready, ready, ready? Everyone should be answering this while I read the Quran. Everyone, pick one and answer it right now. Can you see it? Oh, here, let me bring it closer. Boom. Right, go. Answer. And boom. Oh, this is powerful. All right, let's go. Chapter 12, Joseph, Jesus' dad, Yusuf, verse 46. Interpretation of the king's dream. He said, Joseph, O man of truth, interpret for us the dream of the 7 fat cows eaten up by the 7 skinny ones, and 7 green ears of grain, and 7 others dry, so that I may return to the people and let them know. Joseph replied, you will plant grain for 7 consecutive years, leaving in the ear whatever you will harvest, except for the little you will eat. Then after that will come 7 years of great hardship, which will consume whatever you have saved, except the little you will store for seed. Then after that will come a year in which people will receive abundant rain, and they will press oil and wine. What a great dream. What an analogy about your life. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot depend on one singular paycheck, one singular job to live your life. Most of you are 2 to 3 paychecks away from homelessness. Straight up, believe it or not, you are. You need to be ready for whatever's going on with the drones. I'm not saying it, I ain't getting in trouble. You need to prepare for what's coming. What a great dream about this story from the Quran about Joseph, Jesus' dad. What you need to understand is, a day will come, and it already did. The year 2020, the year 2020, the virus. People lost their livelihood. You have to get with the program and get serious. Get with the program and get serious, because something is coming fast. And just prepare. Have the trading skill. Put your profit into dividend stocks. Shout out to Full Auto 11, Gerald Peters. Go to that man, get dividend stock, get a portfolio of dividends, and then just rinse and repeat until the dividends and the 9 to 5 the dividends and the trading, scalp trading, make you enough monthly that it supersedes your 9 to 5. and you are free. You've officially become free. Boom. I learned that there shouldn't be FOMO because there's multiple setups. Very good, JP. My middle name. I want to remember, if you missed today, there's always tomorrow. Very good, Martin. Papi, English. Campo, my Compton brother, English. One word to sum up what I learned, patience. I like that, Jet. Could you read the KJV Bible next, JC? No, because I look like Ricky Martin, Papi. We're going to just start doing Ricky Martin. I'm going to sing a Ricky Martin song. Any requests? This is for JC because he says I look like Ricky Martin. Someone give me a Ricky Martin song. I don't know any. Someone give me a request. We're going to do it right now. Let's go. I should know Ricky Martin songs, no? Top Ricky Martin songs. Oh no, I'm going to get copyrighted. Hold on, I can't play this. I'm going to get copyright striked. Living La Vida Loca. There you go. I can't. I'm going to get copyright striked. I can't do it. There we go. I gave you that, JC. Stick it up your ass. All right. All right, let's keep going. All right. Let's get rid of JC. He's starting to annoy me. And boom. Bye, JC. Something I learned today is damn it, the comments are moving too fast. La Vida Loca, yeah. Like when he was in Menudo, okay. Wait, Professor Kuiper, thank you, JR. I caught it, yeah. Living La Vida Loca, caught in 4K. All right, boom. All right, that's my time. Thank you all so much. I'll see you Friday. What am I doing on Friday? Oh, Trader Q&A. So if you got questions, I'll have a link in the pinned. Most underrated superpower, patience. I've been doing this for 12 years. My brother Nas, 12 years. Sounded just like him. It's okay. JC was funny, but we blocked him. He's gone now. We blocked JC. Poor JC. But I'll see you Friday. If you got questions, comments, concern, Trader Q&A is Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern. It's already there. Don't tell me YouTube doesn't tell you. Yes, it does, you liars. Click notify me. They send you an email and pops up on the app when I'm live instantaneously. IG will never tell you when I'm live, ever. So, point being, see you Friday. Have fun. Sounded just like him. Most underrated. Have a good night, Professor. Good night, guys. Trade safe tomorrow. Remember, there are infinite possibilities to the markets. May peace be upon you.